Welcome, welcome. Today kicks off something big for the channel. It's the ProTee VX overhead launch monitor, and I have just got my hands on one recently. You guys know I love testing out the latest and greatest in the sim golf world, and this is going to be the start of a brand new video series where we dive deep into this thing from unboxing, install, alignment, features, and of course, a full breakdown of how it performs. So if you're thinking about adding an overhead launch monitor to your home setup, or you're just a golf nerd like me who loves checking out new tech, this is the video to start with. Let's get into it. So what exactly is the ProTee VX? Well, it's a ceiling mounted launch monitor that's designed for indoor golf simulators. Think of it like a high-tech golf coach and data nerd that tracks your shots without needing special golf balls or stickers on your clubs. It uses high-speed cameras and some serious AI smarts to capture your golf ball and club data in real time. I mean, we're talking ball speed, spin rates, club path, attack angle, impact location, basically all the nerdy numbers that help you dial in your swing. But here's the cool part. It delivers feedback almost instantly, less than a second. And best of all, it's for both righties and lefties without needing to switch any settings or recalibrate. And that's a win for anybody who shares their sim setup. And how does this thing work? Well, this unit mounts overhead about 9 to 10 feet above your hitting area and 40 to 43 inches in front of your tee position. That means no need for a floor unit, so you don't have to worry about stepping on it, kicking it over, or accidentally hitting a wedge shot into it. It captures everything in a massive 25 by 21 inch hitting zone, so you're not restricted to any one tiny spot. Plus, it delivers video replays of your impact so you can actually see what's happening at impact instead of just relying on solely the numbers. Seeing is sort of believing these days. All right, let's talk about cost because that's always a big question when you're looking at launch monitors. The ProTee VX comes in at $6,500, which is actually a great deal compared to some of the other overhead units like the Unicore IXO or the TrueGolf Apogee, both over the $10,000 mark. And here's the best part. There's no required subscription or fees. Unlike some units that lock you into yearly payments to access your own data, the ProTee VX gives you lifetime access to their software, ProTee Labs, right out of the box. And if you want to add other simulator software, you've got some options. There's the TGC 2019. That's a one-time purchase of $980. That'll give you 150,000 courses. You can add GS Pro for $250 a year, 4K graphics, online tournaments, the Simulator Golf Tour. You can also add E6 Connects, which requires about a $300 connector and a $600 yearly fee. So you can go as budget-friendly or as premium as you want. There are no forced fees to keep it running. The ProTee Labs is free for life. All right, so what's next? Well, this is just the beginning of this series. So in the next video, we'll be unboxing this thing, getting it mounted, walking you through the install process. Then I'll cover alignment, some setup tips, and I'll make sure everything is dialed in perfectly. Of course, we'll test every feature from data tracking, simulator gameplay, and even comparing it to some other launch monitors that I've got here in the sim room. So if you're as pumped as I am about this series, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And let me know in the comments, what features do you want to see tested first? Until next time, keep swinging, avoid those triples, and I will see you in the next one.